All right, y'all. Yo, what's good, YouTube? All right, man. So today, as y'all can see by the title of the video, or I don't know, I'm not really good at preparing my titles before I shoot the videos, but long story short, man, I must have ran over something, or I don't know what's going on, bro. I gotta take this motherfucker to the shop right now. I actually spent all night trying to yeah. What's good, YouTube? Yeah, man, so last night I was at the studio, left the studio. I actually had a flat tire, so I tried to use the Fix-A-Flat. Tried to get Fix-A-Flat. That shit didn't work. I don't really know how to use Fix-A-Flat, so that was a difficult experience last night. One thing about me, man, if I don't know it, I'm gonna pay for it, you feel me? I tried to do it myself. It didn't work out. I got frustrated, so I just put some Fix-A-Flat in, aired up the tire, and right now I am pulling up to the tire shop. I got my boy Fredo pulling up. He's the one that referred me to this specific tire shop. It's kind of in the ghetto, in the trenches. Yeah, we gonna have to keep an eye on my car. Yo, how you doing, bro? Yeah, my man Fredo referred me. The green Daytona, where we do YouTube. My tire is messed up. I need a tire replacement.
Yeah, the problem is this inside. This inside not nothing.
What did he say? What do you mean?
This inside nothing. This is the putting new.
You only have new ones?
Yeah, this inside nothing.
Huh?
It's a problem, yeah. Yeah, 40. That's
Okay. Damn, I'm not understanding. I need a translator. Alright, this nigga don't speak English. Alright, hold on. I'll be right back, bro. This nigga gonna send me to a shop where motherfuckers don't even speak English, bro. Come on now. Oh yes, niggas in some more shit out here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. He said the problem is the inside. The problem is the inside. The problem is the inside. What does that mean? So that was that. I don't really know what to do based off of that of what he just said. I don't know, man. We gonna post up and wait for Fredo. I'm really trying not to make this seem too much like a vlog, man. Yeah. I was gonna talk about it. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm sorry. I'm over YouTube, bro. We gonna make this shit work. We gonna make this literally a car video. Fuck a vlog. Y'all here for car content. Y'all don't give a fuck about me. Y'all give a fuck about the car. So that's what I'm gonna show y'all, man. It's fuck Subii. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna take Subii out of the damn YouTube because y'all don't care about me for real. YouTube don't fuck with me. YouTube banned my account when I tried to make a personal page. I didn't do nothing. I didn't even post a video. Got banned. So yeah, we're not gonna say fuck YouTube because I need this channel. I'm really trying to make money off of this shit. I'm always dropping my lighter, bro. What's up, my boy? How you doing?
Ooh, chilling?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
This back one on the passenger side. I don't think you can hear it right now because I put the Fix-A-Flat in it this morning. But it's like it's in here somewhere like on the inside. You can't even really tell no more because I think because I put the Fix-A-Flat in this morning.
No, you can hear it.
You can hear it still?
Yeah. Like,
it was way louder than that though. Like from your car, you would have heard that shit.
What's it called? Let's just you already take it inside, huh? I'm gonna just go walk real quick, see what the hell that fool says, and like, you know, I'm gonna be like, cause honestly, what I think, if it's not the tire, it could be a chip in the rim, you know, and that'll be something else. But like, I'm just gonna ask him like, yo, did you like pick it up, you know? Cause like, I feel if it's the tire, I'll just take it a fucking used one.
Yeah. Hopefully it's not a chip in the rim. How the fuck would that happen if it's a chip in the rim?
It can happen in the back or in the inside, depending on the road. Like that happened to my BMW ones, and I had to fucking get that shit welded.
Damn.
Yeah, low key, like, but like if it is chipped, I wouldn't even get it welded no more. Like I'll get a brand new rim, cause it kept on breaking in my fucking BMW.
Yeah.
But I'm just
sound like that's money.
Like, see what's up with it.
All right, yeah, let's see. Damn. All right, y'all. So I gotta see what's up with this motherfucker, man. We gonna try to see. My baby keep losing air, man. We gotta get together to shoot this Scat Pack versus RT video too.
I know they finna hate. I drop out that 90210, she cream like Ben and J. I be too impatient, feel like Draco, bitch, I been a J. Bitch, I been a cold. Be speak my mind, this ain't no little yacht, this a big boat.
Yeah, got that translator.
No la puede arreglar, o qué es lo que tiene la llanta.
Marvin, ya viene tu compa. Tiene la llanta, dice.
Yo le entendí que quería una llanta usada. Yo, los llantas usadas de 6 no tenemos.
De los cuatro, 245?
245, 45, 20, se me hace que
It doesn't sound
So,
good.
no tiene usadas?
No.
Oh no.
¿Pura nueva?
Sí.
Fuck.
Oh no.
No, ya. Es que nomás vinimos.
Demasiado de eso, pues, ¿sabes? Como ese de ahí, como ya la mayoría de Challenger no tenían sus carros.
No, ya.
Se nos han acabado ese detalles de llantas.
¿Cuánto por una esta nueva?
Una nueva de esa anda en 135.
135, fuck, nada. Yeah, no, para lo que
Pero
vamos a hacer.
te vas a dar el lujo de quemar una llanta nueva, pues.
No, la
Sí,
otra,
a huevo.
pero la otra vez le compramos nuevas, todas nuevas, y ya se las chingó el güey, va a regresar mañana a agarrar nuevas. No de casualidad, pues yo siempre le puedo llamar, ¿no? Like, le voy a mandar un texto.
Y esas son ocasiones porque el señor que nos trae llantas.
Voy a poner a Alfredo y, like, cuando vengan, like, me dice, like, me traigo a los tres vatos porque los tres necesitamos y, pues, a él le cae de poncharle that, like, nah, man, I'm trying to let your boy know that, like, that just yesterday I gave like my last 4 used ones, and then he's like, and I was trying to tell him that like I want to put him a new one. He's like because he's like I know you guys be bringing tires, but he said for a brand new one he could do 120. Look, I'm even down to be like, yo man, you can't do like $100. But that's if you want a fucking a new one. But we could go down there to where I go on Sepulveda, and they be giving me my another one used ones in the back for $40. So you're trying to run it right there too.
Hell yeah, let's try that. And then if not, then we'll just price estimate these. Cause I mean, if I gotta spend $100, that ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? But that 40 is lovely.
I'll be good, man. I'll take it. What's up? You want to see if this?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
All right, say less.
All right, bet. All right, y'all. So, I knew that wasn't going well. I don't know. You know, like you could just tell by like body language and like the energy of the talking, and then you know the universal no. It was a lot of no. So I was like, ooh. But yeah, we gonna see how this work out. Not me matching his car. Oh, I might need a flick in front of his car today. I ain't gonna lie to you. That might be what's going on today. Do I got my vlog stick? It should be in the car. I usually leave it in the car. Shit, we really could get the Scat Pack versus RT video today, huh? They say my tire's still at 42, so that's a good sign. All right, y'all. I know you guys see my tires at 41 right now. It's only because it's been going down, so I'm putting extra in because I need to make it to my location. Y'all gonna get on me about shit, boy. Y'all be on my ass. Whoop. Alright, so we just pulled up to the spot right now. I'm wondering, do I pull in or what? Fuck it, I'm about to just go right next to this bull. How you gonna get out this hoe, Subii? Oh, oh, he was in the passenger seat. Oh, she was whipping that thing. Okay.
Boy, he wants to see if you can, I don't think there's nothing wrong with the rim, but like, I think.
Yeah, it's not going down anymore. So I don't think it's the rim. I think it's just a hole inside of it.
You want me to take it off and check it?
Yeah. You think we could get a used tire or anything?
Yeah.
All right.
Definitely, yeah. Do me a favor, can you put it here?
Yeah.
Straight like that? I got you, bro. Yeah, my boy done brought me to the little plug type shit. All right, yeah, so this is where, you know what I'm saying, the YouTubers get their tires done in LA. Y'all think it's at the nice spots, but it really be here. See, Tires by Easy. So make sure y'all out here, if y'all out here this way. He had to back his shit up. I gotta back my shit up now. Make sure if y'all out here, man, y'all come tap in with Tires by Easy. I'm sitting here looking at the camera. I need to pay attention. Get that thing done, man.
Sometimes you have to do it. Sometimes you have to do it.
Yeah, my boy got that green goblin. Hey, man, we need car washes, both of us. Mine said dirty too. It got handprints on it. What is they drilling next to my car? Yes, sir. All right, so we about 25 minutes in right now. Still chilling. Once again, we at Tires by Easy. Y'all see it, Tires by Easy. If y'all need tires, man, for the low, make sure y'all pull up. We are on Sepulveda Boulevard. And we on Sepulveda Boulevard. It's something. Look it up. You know how to get smoke out your shit?
I'm honestly still trying to learn that shit, but like I think I need to like put it in like second, just kind of like tap it, but still hold on the brake. Like little cabrio, I be kind of like.
That shit so
I be tripping on that
much.
shit, watch that shit lock on me, and I'm just like, oh damn.
I want to get a differential too. I forgot which one. I gotta look up the video. Old boy said to get a differential so that both of
The tire spin?
yeah.
Yeah, right. That's what I was tripping on too. Like, I was like, because when I watch my videos when I'm spinning, I'll be watching only one tire spin and one side burning. So I'm just like, damn, there's only one tire spinning. I was like, my
We
mind
gotta
is
get a
tripping.
differential.
I should be going like maybe for like 50K, like maybe like I don't know, like 60K for like a whole like Hellcat red eye. And I'm like, damn, that's almost
But-
where I was at. Could have gotten it right there.
But I think that's the MSRP.
Yeah, but I feel that's still worth it. Like if I could trade it in right now, and they gave me like maybe like 40 or even 30, and I just had to pay like another 30 on top to get like a whole.
Yeah,
Let's
that's.
just say,
I feel like that's the
I would
jug
do it.
for real.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking about with that bitch.
That shit nice though. That shit nice though. I'll tell you that. That shit nice though.
I gotta figure out what's done to it. I don't know. Or maybe see if there's another RT that's just as loud. I need to versus a RT type shit.
That shit is loud, man. That shit is non-stop. Whatever we think is under that, it cannot be style. That shit's too loud. Like, I couldn't believe it. And tell me why, when I was stepping 100, like at 148, I'm topping at it. I don't know why. It says 160. I don't know why it's saying 160 on the dash. 160 on the dash, but I'm only gapping at 148. I don't know. Something wrong with it.
a chip?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to
This shit might
the
be
Dodge. Hey, if there's a speed limiter, I'm gonna have to take that shit out. Why? You took it off?
I don't got one.
What? You don't got one? Where's it at? I was like, why can't I go any more faster than that? I still gotta like. You've been practicing on the manual?
No, not at all.
I get you on that shit.
Yeah, I need to get on it.
Wait a minute.
I don't know where that shit's at. My fuses are right here, but I was seeing a video and they were saying
Wait a
like,
minute.
I can take it off, like a fuse.
That's not right.
That could probably help.
Scatpacks don't have a 5.7 liter.
But I don't know.
Yeah, you know I don't know. I just know Grinch looked at my shit and he told me I didn't have one.
Damn.
What year is this?
2021. Let me see.
Maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about. I thought they had a 6.4 liter. What the fuck? You live in the hood, but you got a Tesla truck? How you live in the hood, but you got a Tesla Cybertruck?
I said, okay, turn me up then, get me out my way. Like any lemons, I got bitches making me lemonade. Gave up relationships, they always ended up Minute Maid. That bitch that hurt me, should've known she was a renegade.